Hey, it's Orkelys, SuperSaver. Alright, this video is me explaining how I've been getting pretty much free food from McDonald's for the last few weeks. I'm also going to show you how to get cash back at McDonald's, how to redeem rewards with their app, and how to get other rewards and stuff. So let's jump into it. So this is the McDonald's app. This is what pops up when you first open it. You can order here. It'll show you the closest one to you. It'll show you what deals they have available, and they pretty much always have these type of deals available. Free double cheeseburger or 6 nuggets when you buy one. I mean, lots of great savings. If you're eating at McDonald's anyway, may as well check this out. And you basically would just click on it to add it to your cart, and that way when you get there, you could either place the order ahead of time, go in and grab it, place the order ahead of time, and then pick that you want curbside, place the order ahead of time, and then pick that you want to go to the drive-through, or they simply give you a code that you use to earn points, and you'll see that in this screen. So you'll just give them, for example, this 3545 code in the drive-through when you're getting ready to order, or when you're getting ready to pay, and anything that you've added as far as rewards or deals will automatically come off. And you won't have to hand them a card, because as you can see right here, you can click this button and either pay with your card in the app or not. So it's completely up to you. That way you don't have to have money on you. If you only have your your phone, you can still get free food, or you can still order McDonald's. And this is the card I've been using because every week they give me up to 15% back on purchases. If, for example, I wanted to use my rewards, I would come here to view all. Right now I have 9,788 points, and it's very easy to rack up points. And then I would just click on the thing I want to redeem, and it would automatically be added, and then you provide that code, bam, good to go. You could only do one thing at a time. It's either going to be a reward, or you're going to redeem a reward, or use a deal. You can not do both, unfortunately. So yes, this is the card that I am using because every week I'm able to use these different cashback options. And I do have other videos where I show you what I use with them and all that good stuff. But as you can see here, I have redeemed 61 cents back, 25 cents back. I mean, I don't really buy a lot of food when I go to McDonald's, but some other people might be spending a little bit more. And as you can see here, I've got a Uber Eats reward back, etc., a Walgreens reward back. I mean, always a little bit of money coming back to you for your transactions when you use that card. The cool thing about that card is that once you sign up for this bank, you automatically get a digital card that you can add to your Google Pay, so you don't have to wait for your physical card to arrive in the mail. And right now, as you see here, I can give 3 friends gifts, so I am going to place the link, if I can, in the description. So I guess if you're the first 3 people to click on it and use it, you'll get a $15 gift. If not, I will also place this link in the description. So if you sign up for this bank and put your direct deposit in there, you'll straight up get $150, and so will I. So I will definitely appreciate anybody signing up using my link and hooking that up. If you send me proof to my email that you signed up and did the direct deposit and that you got the $150 and I get $150, I will give you part of that money back through either Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal. So I will place my email address in the description as well. The other app I'm using to get back money is this Onmyway app. I've talked about it in several other videos. You can check out that video. I'll put that in the description as well. Basically, this app pays you or rewards you to keep your phone closed while you're driving. So they're there to promote safe driving for people. And look at all the different things they're doing right now. So you can get up to $6 back on on McDonald's whenever you spend up to $6 there. You have to record a video, post it on your Instagram, or not your Instagram, any one of your biggest social medias. You send them the link. You have to hashtag the Onmyway, and so you just follow these instructions here. And I'll send you my links for the ones that I've done to get cash back, and they will straight up Venmo you this money, the $6, within 2 days. And you can do this every single week, which is awesome. So I will go ahead and share that link as well. I love this app. It's not the only thing that they're doing for people. You can also get up to $7 in free Taco Bell, up to $5 in free Starbucks. And if you go to like a local restaurant that isn't a franchise, you can get $5. It used to be $10. I got $10 from them before when I did that. They're also doing this up to $10, so basically 50 cents off or back per gallon, up to $10. Again, something you can redeem every week, which is awesome. Or you can straight up use your points to get these little things like this. So, and they save you money on stuff. USB reader, an escape tool, polarized glasses, makeup brushes, jewelry, stuff like that. I actually got a free pair of earphones when I redeemed all my points on this app a couple months ago. So that was really nice. All kinds of stuff. Highly recommend it. All you have to do is keep your phone closed while you're driving. I mean, come on. It's pretty good karma, I would think. And let's see what other good stuff we have in there. As you can see up there, they are claiming to have saved 190 lives and prevented 29,168 crashes. But I will place that link also in the description if you want to check it out. All kinds of stuff that you can do on this app. So I'm pretty sure that there are other... Oh, yes. There's one more. There we go. This is the other one. Drop. One of my favorite apps. I've been using it for about 4 years. I have made so much money on this app. It's ridiculous. Whenever I need free stuff from Amazon, I redeem the points here. So basically all you have to do is link whatever card you're using to this app and you get 5 points back per dollar. You used to only be able to redeem for gift cards, but now they've got all kinds of stuff available. As you can see here, there's crypto, collectibles, contests, donations. I like the gift cards, I can't lie. Here you go, Groupon, Apple, Gap, Nike. I mean, this is ridiculous. Just free money all the time. If you've never used this app, highly recommend it. I will go ahead and put the invite in the description as well. Here's a little bit of my reward history. So $25, $25 on Groupon, $25 on Groupon. I like Groupon a lot. I end up getting so much free stuff from there, and there's a lot more. It's just not showing everything, I guess. Let's see if I click rewards history. There we go. Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. This is all free money, folks. Just for hanging out in this app. They also give you rewards for playing games and stuff like that. You can check it out. I really should make its own video because it's so intricate. But that's another way to get points for McDonald's and get free stuff. Okay, I lied. There's another one. There's this one. This is Bitmo. Another one where you just link your cards and it tracks your purchases. And then you claim your points. Whee! Wow, it's been a minute since I claimed my points, so I guess it's a good thing I'm doing this. See how their points are going up in the top right there? So what can I do with those points? I press redeem, and then let's see. You pick how many points you want to redeem, and then you can get gift cards. Very nice, guys. Free food, free money, free products. Oh, I kept redeeming, and now I'm up to 5,672. I like to save it until, you know, it's a big number, and then I could just take whatever card to the cleaners. So I will link the, there we go, the link for that one as well if you want to go ahead and use that. So that's 5 ways to get rewarded to eat at Mickey D's. It's ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. But for those of you from the old school, you remember it used to be, we love to see you smile. Okay, that's it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please share it. Share your links once you sign up with it with other people, and keep saving that money.